Look at that. The only thing disappointing about this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. Why can't these ones have mirrors? It is really freaking pretty, guys. Like, really pretty. What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here. Mostly makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish, we have the occasional unboxing, but I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure you stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are talking about my 2-month haul. So normally I would do this every month. However, last month I was having a little bit of a hard time, so I didn't actually sit down and film it. And then I decided I wanted to wait and do the whole 2 months together. There's a lot of stuff here. This is only makeup. I will be filming a separate video for nail polish, and I do also have a few things that I did order that are not here yet, but I'm going to unbox them when they come, so you will see them then. I am supposed to be on a low buy here, but surprise, surprise, I suck at that, and I don't know how, and I keep trying, and I feel like I'm failing, but filming these videos at least keeps me a little bit accountable for the things that I buy. So without further ado, I'm going to get into it. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. We'll start off with lip products, and then we'll move on to eyeshadow because there's a lot of eyeshadow this month, and some face products as well. I picked up 4 new mascaras this month, and there's reason for it. This one, I'm actually filming a video today. This is the new e.l.f. Lash It Out Loud. I picked this up on the last day of May, so it's June now, so it's technically part of that haul. So I am filming a video with this right now as we speak. I also picked up these 3 from Essence because I do want to do a comparison video, so I hope that you watch out for that. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite types of review videos are. I usually do a lot of eyeshadow palette reviews. I do sometimes do foundation, but now I'm gonna try and do some mascara reviews. Sometimes I do nail polish. Just let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see. So I did pick up these 3. So this is the Get Big Lash, the Triple Black. This is the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost and the Get Big Lashes Volume Curl. So they're all different. I am really excited to sit down and film with these as well. And a lot of my mascaras are past the 6-month point, so I do have to do a declutter and get rid of the old ones and start off with some new ones. All right, now I'm going to move. I did also pick up a replacement. This is the Essence eyeshadow base. I ordered this online because I can't find it in stores anywhere right now, and it's stressing me out. If anybody sees it in stores, can you please let me know? It's such a good eyeshadow base. I used it today. It's like my favorite. It's my favorite. Please, Essence, don't discontinue this. It's such a good product. So good. It's just so good. If you haven't tried it already and you can find it, try it. I did also, when we were able to go to Winners, it's hard to believe we've been in lockdown for like 2 more months. Did pick up a few things from Winners. I did pick up these Buxom glosses. This is one's in the shade Sugar, and this one's in the shade Hot Toddy. I do also have 2 other ones that were part of my giveaway, so please, I will link that up here somewhere. If you haven't already checked out my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, we are having an active giveaway on my channel currently. We've reached 1,000 subscribers. I am so happy. So my way of saying thank you and giving back is that I have a giveaway coming up. So I bought 3 lip products from Winners. This lip gloss from Marc Jacobs isn't what I thought it was going to be, so I really kind of don't know how I feel about it. It's not terrible. I used it once. I'm going to try and love it a little bit more. It's a gloss stick. It's really pretty, but it kind of feels weird on my lips. I don't know how I feel about that. We'll have to give it a little bit more love, and I will let you guys know what I think about it. I also picked up a whole bunch of these glosses from Essence because, first of all, these are $3.99. They're so easy to wear. They're so nice. I picked up 7. I'm not going to go into full detail about them because I do plan on filming a swatch video. The one I'm actually wearing this one today. This is the one in the shade For a Night Out. It is really freaking pretty, guys. Like, really pretty. I can't wait to film that swatch video. So there is a reason for having all of these glosses, And I feel like lately I just keep grabbing glosses, and these ones I just keep putting on. They're just so easy to wear. They're so comfortable. They're so good. I highly recommend trying these if you haven't already. They're so affordable. So affordable. I also grabbed another, I did pick up a replacement. This is the Essence Clear Brow and Lash Gel. I use it as a brow gel. I'm about, I'm over halfway of the one that I have. This is only $2.99, so I did pick up a replacement while I was there. I won't be opening this yet, but I will be using it as soon as I finish the one that I'm currently using. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. There's a whole bunch because it's been 2 months worth. I did pick up these 2 eyeshadow palettes from Essence. This is the Ola Rio palette. I haven't used them yet. I do plan on filming videos. Please let me know which one you want to see first. This one's just so stinking pretty. These shimmers just look so nice. And this one's the Salut Paris. And this one's just really, I like it a lot. So I'm really excited to use these. I was actually got these 2 on sale. I like that they come with a full-size mirror. I have the Bonjour Montreal one, and I really like that one. So I'm hoping that these are wins as well. I picked up 3 eyeshadow palettes over the last 2 months from Natasha Denona. These were BoxyCharm add-ons. I picked up the Coral palette. I haven't had a chance to use these yet. I'm really excited to film some videos. So we have the Coral palette. I also picked up this one. This is the Jubilee palette. I want to show you guys something. That black shade right there, that one, if you haven't already seen this palette, like, just get ready for the magic, okay? Look at that. Look at that. That's not black. That's a beautiful shade of blue. Every time I swatch it, I'm like, where's the blue? You can tell, like, if you really look at it, it's a deep navy, but it looks black at first sight. So I'm just super excited to try this out. So happy. And I also grabbed this one. This is the Ayana palette. These ones are actually, these are in my giveaway. These ones are mine, but I also ordered one for the giveaway as well, one of each. Make sure you are entered in that giveaway, please and thank you. Okay, I also picked up all 6 of these Colourpop quads. I kept 4 for myself, which is why these are here. 2 of them are in the giveaway, so I'm not going to talk about them, but I did pick up all 6. I have been really enjoying these lately, but I don't want to talk about them too much because I am filming a video dedicated to what my thoughts are on these 4-pan palettes. I'm not done. I also picked up all of the Birthstone palettes from BH Cosmetics. I also have the Emerald one. I'm not sure where it is at the moment. I must have used it recently. I haven't used these 4 yet. I am planning to film separate videos. However, that Emerald one, amazing. These are only $9. It is the 1st of June today, so the new palette, the Pearl palette, is available. Let me know if you guys want to see a video. I may or may not purchase it. BH Cosmetics, I just want to buy everything. I'm like, somebody just send me a whole bunch of money so that I can just go buy BH Cosmetics, because at this point, that's just what I want to do. I also have this 90s Remix Dance palette. I did film 2 looks using this palette. 2 looks? 3 looks? I think 3 looks. I want to love it, but I don't love it. It's not my fave. The matte shades are okay, but the shimmers in this are just not, they're subpar in comparison to other palettes that I have tried from BH Cosmetics. There's something about the formula of these glitters and shimmers that are not equal to, say, the Travel series or the Avocado Toast or the Blueberry Muffin, like all those square pan palettes. Amazing. We need all of them. This one though isn't that good. So there are 2 other palettes from the series. There's an 80s and a 2000s. I'm not going to get them because I just didn't, this one wasn't wow worthy. I don't think I need to review it on my channel. I'm not necessarily going to get rid of it, but I'm not necessarily sure what I'm going to do with it. This part's like my favorite part. So cute. Okay, so we're getting closer to the end of the pile. This isn't taking as long as I thought it would. I picked up a few face palettes from BH Cosmetics as well. I did pick up a truffle blush. This is the vanilla cream truffle. This is their 4 blush pan set. I love it. It's so nice. It smells so good. They are really nice blushes. I didn't use these ones today, but have used them 2 or 3 times since I got it. I just like it. I just like it a lot. Always wanted this, and then it was on sale, so I definitely ordered. And then I also picked up these 2 palettes. This is the Belgian waffle palette. It's a bronzing and a highlighting palette. That's it right there. I definitely used this today. It's the second time I used it. The first time I wasn't so sure. The shade Batter is really nice. That's the one I'm wearing today. It's not too dark. I really like these highlighters. They are friggin' nice. So nice. Has anybody tried this before? And it has a full-size mirror, so that makes me also very happy. Then the Bellini palette, the 6 blush palette, I'm also wearing this today. I just like to kind of mix these up. I'm using these 2 shades on my cheeks. Really pretty. I'm really happy I got this because it was very affordable, and so far so good. The quality is pretty outstanding. I also grabbed this blueberry muffin palette from BH Cosmetics because I didn't have it and I've always wanted it. So I needed to just finish the collection, I guess. It's a really pretty blue palette. There are some nice neutrals in here as well, so you don't really have to do anything crazy with it. To me, it's pretty complete. I think I'll be able to do some fun stuff with this. Let me know if you want to see a multiple looks 1 palette. I also have the avocado toast palette that I do plan to film with soon as well. We also have 2 more, and then we're all done. I did pick up the It's All Good palette from Colourpop. I've been using this a little bit more lately. I am going to film multiple looks 1 palette with this. I really like this palette. I'm not sad that I bought it at all. It makes me happy. I do like it. I need to play with it some more, so hopefully you guys will get to see some looks with it very soon. The only thing disappointing about this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. Why can't these ones have mirrors? Why? Just want them to have mirrors. I want everything to have mirrors. And last but not least, I did pick up the So Jaded palette from Colourpop. This is the Kathleen Lights collaboration. I'm actually wearing this one today. I filmed the first of many looks with this. I'm going to try and use all of the shadows, and then I'm going to upload that video. We're just going to have to wait and see how many eye looks I can come up with. This is one of them. I do like this palette. The only complaint I really have is that there is no mirror. I have to say, out of all of the 30 pan palettes so far, I think this one is my favorite. They did release a new one that I'm so tempted to buy, but I don't think I need it. Let me know what you think. And that is it for the makeup I bought over the last 2 months. So this was from April and May. Please let me know in the comments down below. Do you have any of these products? Do you love any of these products? Do you hate any of these products? And do you want any of these products? I absolutely love hanging out with you guys. Please let me know in the comments below how your day is going, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. If somebody was to come over to my house and be like, I like that, I'd probably be like, just take it. Just take it. It's taking up space.